Hello, my dears. How are you today? Fine. Say, I am fine. Thank you. Say, all of you, I am fine. Thank you. Okay? Yes. From today, I will teach you English subject. Which subject? English subject. Okay. And in which class you are? Tell me, in which class you are? You are in nursery class. Say, I am in nursery class. I study in nursery class. I study in nursery class. Very good. Okay, you have learned. You have learned letters. Okay, so today we will start the letters. Okay. Yes, my dears, all of you tell me. Okay. Okay, let us learn the first letter. Okay, which is the first letter? Letter A. Which is the first letter? Letter A. How you will make letter A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. How you will make letter A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay. From A, what do you like? A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Apple is it red in color. Apple is it red in color. A for apple. A for apple. Then look here. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane fly in sky. Where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane fly in sky. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for, yes, tell me. A for aeroplane. Okay. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And then A for, yes, ant. A for ant. You have seen ant? It is red in color. Ant. Ant bite also? Yes. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for ant. Okay. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Yes. Okay. Then A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. What we have learned? We have learned letter A. A for apple. Apple is red in color. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane fly in sky. is a small insect. Ant is a small insect. Okay, it's worked hard. Okay, ant is in black color also and in red color. Ant is in black color and in red color. Ant means cheaty. Cheaty. Ant means cheaty. Okay. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for arrow. A for alligator. Okay. This is all from A. Yes. Okay. After A. After A, which letter will come? After A, which letter will come? Look here. This is A. After A, which letter will come? Letter B. Which letter? B. Okay. Which letter is this? This is B. Look here. B is smiling. Which letter is this? This is letter B. Okay, B for ball. B for ball. B for bus. B for bus. You play with ball? You play with ball? You play cricket with ball? Yes. B for ball. B for bus. You come to school by bus? Yes. You come to school by bus? Yes. B for ball. B for bus. Then B for bat. What is this? This is bat. You play cricket. You play cricket with bat and ball? Yes. So B for bat. You play cricket. You play cricket? Yes. So B for ball. B for bus. B for bat. Okay. And B for, just tell me, do you know what things are there from B? Yes. B for bell. B for bell. You have seen bell? You have seen bell? Bell होती ना? Bell. हम भगवान के सामने बैठ जाते हैं, मंदिर जाते हैं तो हम बेल जाते हैं. ओके. So B for bell. B for ball. B for bus. You come by bus at school? Yes. B for bat. B for bat. B for bell. B for bell. B for bell. Yes. What we have done? Which letter is this? This is letter B. Which letter is this? This is letter B. You also say loudly with me. B. Which letter is this? B. Say loudly with me. Which letter is this? B. Say loudly. Loudly. B. I can't able to hear you. Say loudly. B. Yes. B for ball. B for bus. B for bat. for bell. Yes. After B, which letter will come? Tell me, my dears, my sweet, lovely children, tell me, after B, which letter will come? A, B, C. Which letter will come? Letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Okay. C for cup. C for cup. You drink milk in cup? Yes. Yeah. C for cup. C for cup. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Cat say meow meow. Cat say meow meow. Okay. C for cup. C for cat. Yes. And another thing. C for, tell me, which thing are there? C for cup, cat. And then C for, yes, think. C for what? Think and tell to me. C for what? Yes. Okay, think all of you think. Think all of you. What is that? C for, yes, C for car. C for car. You have car at your home. Yes. C for car. C for cup. C for cat. C for car. We go with car. C for cow. Look here, cow. C for cow. C for cow. C for cow. What is this? This is cow. C for cow. C for cup. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. Okay, and C for carrot. C for carrot. What is this? This is carrot. C for carrot. Okay, carrot means gajar. Okay, C for cup. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. C for carrot. Yes. Okay. After C, which letter will come? After C, which letter will come? A, B, C, D. D. Which letter will come? Letter D. Standing line and half curve. Which letter is this? This is D. D. Which letter is this? D. Okay. D for, tell me, D for door. D for door. You have door at your home? Yes. D for door. Door means darwaza. D for door. D for door. What is this? D for door. D for duck. D for duck. Yes, you have seen duck. D for duck. Duck देखी ना आपने? Yes. D for door. D for duck. Then D for doll. Yes. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. Yes. D for door. D for duck. D for doll. D for drum. D for drum. You make sound in drum. Dhum, 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 dhum. Yes. D for door. You also say with me and say loudly so that I can hear you. Okay? So that I can listen you. D for D. Which letter is this? D. Say loudly. D. Say loudly with me. D. I can't able to hear your voice. So say loudly. D. Which letter is this? D. D for door. D for duck. What does duck say? Duck say quack quack. Duck say quack quack. D for doll. D for drum. Yes, very good. After D, which letter will come? After D, which letter will come? A, B, C, D, E. Which letter will come? E. How you will write E? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. How you will write E? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter E. E for? Yes, E for egg. E for egg. Egg. E for egg. Egg. You have seen the egg? Yes. E for egg. E for eraser. इरेजर देखा है आपने? इरेज करते हो ना आप कुछ रॉन्ग लिख देते हो पेंसिल से तो आप इरेज करते हो ना? यस. सो ई फॉर इरेजर. E for egg. E for eraser. And E for engine. E for engine. You have seen train? You have seen train now? Yes. So E for engine. E for engine. Okay. E for egg. E for eraser. E for engine. E for ears. E for ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. E for egg. E for eraser. E for engine. E for ear. E for eyes. E for eyes. What is this? This is eyes. How many eyes do you have? Tell me, how many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. E for eyes. Yes. E for elephant. You have seen elephant. Yes. E for elephant. E for elephant. Yes. Very good, children. You are E. Which letter is this? Letter E. Say loudly with me. E. Which letter is this? Letter E. I can't able to hear your voice. So say loudly. E. Which letter is this? E. E for egg. E for eraser. E for engine. E for ears. Two ears. E for eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. 1, 2. E for elephant. It's so big now. Yes. E for elephant. What we have learned today? We have learned letter A to E. A. You also repeat with me. You also say with me. A, B, C, D, E. Okay? A, B, C, D, E. Yes. So all of you stand up. Stand up all of you. Yes. After that, hands up. Up your hands. Make flowers like this. Make flowers. Very good. Okay, now clap all of you. Very good. So, revise this letter at your home. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet again in next lecture. Okay.